Hey guys, this is Cash on One, Robert, what's it called, here, I'm gonna tell you guys about the 3 different bullets right here. There's a copperhead BBs, and there's the new one, the Destroyer X, and the old pointed ones. Okay, first, this is the 6,000 one. This one's freaking heavy. It's pretty cool. I got it from Walmart today. It was for $8 and $8.40, I believe. $8.49, $8.59, something like that. These I got today too for $2 and something cents. You can see right here, these are different. These are the new kind. See, it's got the hollow tip, and then comes the point in the when it goes down. Those are pretty cool. It's 300 to come in here. Awesome. And then there's these right here, the old ones. The tip. And I have the Craftsman Pumpmaster 7. Hold on. Yeah, 760? Pumpmaster 760 or 720. Forgot. Well, anyways, these are the kind. I'm all out of these though. Sucks. And these are brand new. Come with 300. And these 250. 6,000. That's a lot. $9 plus tax. This is gonna be $9 something. $3. About $3 as well. And these are awesome. I tested them on a beer can. It's a nice clean hole, like going in and then out, it just bursts. I'll do another video on shooting all 3. So yeah, look out for that if you watch my videos. I have like maybe 5. That's it. Well, yeah, these are the 3. The Copperhead BBs, the Craftsman Destroyer X, and the Craftsman pointed tip. Alright, later.